So we were just talking applique on the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720, and this is just a single stitch, meaning it jumps in and back one time. So if you want this to look like a heavier stitch, kind of like how these stitches are, see how much heavier these are? Now this is from the floating stitches menu in this machine, love it. So you stitch and then you peel it out and it opens up, makes those stitches look very, well, like they're floating. But see how thick these are? Let me show you in the Stitch Creator where you can actually take the traditional applique stitch, which by the way, that is in the quilt menu, the hand look stitches, and it's stitch number 5. And that particular stitch we're going to get to, but this time accessing it in the Stitch Creator. So as I go into the Stitch Creator, oh, I was playing with it already, so let me just delete it out. So it'll come up empty. Go ahead and go to the menu, pick the stitch that you want to bring in here. And the reason I bring it in is because you can see right here, one of my favorite features is the 3 times function. When I touch 3 times, it will triple this stitch. So I'm going to just stitch it just a little bit. And this time, instead of having 1 stitch in and out, it actually does 2 stitches in and out, so for a total of 4. So without having to access or buy thicker thread or needing a bigger needle to accommodate that thicker thread, you can make the stitch look bolder just by taking it into the Stitch Creator, tripling it, and look at the result. And of course, with a heavier stitch like this, you'd probably be going around something bigger, so that stitch made longer and wider will also look pretty bold. So if you're looking for a new way to pump up your applique, try taking any of your decorative stitches into the Stitch Creator, times 3, meaning triple every stitch, and then stitch it out. See what you like. I think you'll be surprised.